Okay, so working on sounds. I'm just going to give you a few words, and if you could just copy them after me, okay? Turn.
Turn.
Learn.
Learn.
Stir.
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 Whir.
Whir.
Heard.
Heard.
Bird.
Bird.
Word.
Word.
Work.
Work.
Absurd.
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 Good.
Absurd.
Excellent. Yearn.
Yearn.
Burn.
Burn.
Good. I had a burning desire
I had a burning desire
to learn the absurd art.
to learn absurd art.
To learn
To learn
the absurd art
absurd art
of bird watching,
of bird watching,
but had too much work last term.
but had too much work last term.
Really make sure that you relax your entire mouth. So you're using the very back of your mouth to create the sound. So all these muscles around here need to be relaxed. So the corners of your mouth should just stay forward.
Right.
Turn.
Turn.
Perfect. Great. Want to read that for me?
I had a burning desire to learn the absurd art, the absurd art of bird watching, but had too much work last term.
Last term.
Last term.
Term. Be careful that with that T, you don't send out a big expulsion of air, because what that will do is push out the air so that you don't have any to create the vowel sound. Turn.
Term.
Good. Great. Brilliant. Well done.